everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today I'm putting together a bouquet using hydrangeas and roses. And the fun thing about hydrangeas is that they can be used as a stabilizer for your other flowers. So I plan on putting these roses just evenly spaced right above the hydrangea, just hovering over there throughout the hydrangea bouquet there. So I have a nice round mound with these roses, and those hydrangeas are going to hold those flowers right in place for me. So it makes designing super easy. So if you're looking for an easy to do bouquet and you like hydrangeas, this is a bouquet for you. It's real easy to put together. The bad thing about hydrangeas when designing with them is that you have to be careful not to form a rear end shape because of the large round top to the flower there. If you put just two stems of hydrangeas together, you're going to get that rear end. So you always want to do either one hydrangea or more than two. I have 4 here, and then I'm just evenly spacing my peach colored roses on the top. Kind of put the lighter ones toward the very, very top. Makes a little bit more of a focal point there. And then I'm going to use the hydrangea leaves to cover my mechanics along the base. So that's the other good thing about hydrangeas. If you are working with hydrangeas, this is good for fresh flowers as well, but hydrangeas, fresh hydrangeas, I should say, need water. So they go down really fast. So I do suggest using artificial hydrangeas if you're able to. They make them very realistic looking nowadays, and it's going to last the longest with your bouquet. And you can mix the artificial with the fresh flowers too. They blend in so well, nobody will know the difference. So I just tie it off with a little chenille stem there, nice and tight. I'll trim up the handle about 2 hands length and do a little ribbon treatment on it. But there you go. There's some hydrangeas and roses in a sweet little bouquet. Thank you so much for watching.